If you use Google Drive every day, knowing how to switch between list view and grid view can make a huge difference in how fast you find your files. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to change Google Drive from list view to grid view on the web version, step by step. It's simple, it's fast, and once you know where to click, you can switch views anytime you want. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Google Drive loads, take a look at the top right corner of the page. This is where Google puts the view controls, and that's exactly where you'll make the change. Now, look for the grid view icon. This is the button that changes how your files are displayed. If you're currently using list view, you'll see your files arranged in rows. When you switch to grid view, those same files will appear as larger tiles, which can be easier to scan visually, especially if you work with a lot of folders, images, or drive files at once. Go ahead and click the grid view icon in the top right corner. As soon as you click it, Google Drive will switch from list view to grid view automatically. You don't need to refresh the page, save anything, or go into settings. It happens instantly. If you want to switch back later, the process is just as easy. You can return to the same top right area and click the other view option whenever you prefer a different layout. That means you can choose list view when you want a cleaner file and folder structure, or grid view when you want bigger previews and a more visual workspace. This is especially useful if you store lots of documents, photos, PDFs, or shared folders in Google Drive. Grid view can make it easier to recognize files at a glance, while list view can help you focus on file names and details more efficiently. So depending on your workflow, you can toggle between the two views whenever you need, and that's really all there is to it. Open Google Drive, go to the top right corner, click the grid view icon, and your drive will instantly switch from list view to grid view. Super easy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.